Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing and how's quarantine going? I know you must be wondering why is she wearing her chashma and what is she wearing. I'm in my night suit, my cute Mickey Mouse t-shirt, and this is how I look when I'm at home, chilling and relaxing and watching a lot of things on Netflix. So how you guys doing? Let me know, what are you doing for time pass, how are you killing time, and are you like following your hobbies, doing like crazy things. So it's night time now and I was just about to go and do my nighttime skincare routine. I thought, why don't I film it, because now that you have all the time in the world, you can follow this and take care of your skin. It's like a 4 to 5 step routine. I know it's a little bit long, but come on, you have a lot of time. So take care of your skin and I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's start. So the first thing that you have to do is wash your face and use a nice cleanser. So the face wash that I use is this one. It's by Neutrogena and it's the Rapid Clear face wash. I use it every day possible. And I also use my Foreo. I'm really addicted to this. I charged it like 6 months back and it's still working. Like, wow, it's crazy. So I do this every night. It just takes a minute to like nicely massage and clear your skin. So I'm going to use this now and show you. Nicely massages my skin and removes all the dirt and makeup. If you guys don't have Foreo, what people use is, let me show you, something like this. It will really get rid of all your makeup and all the dirt. So this is also very useful. So once I've done using Foreo, I'll show you my next step. So now my second step is I use this Rose Moisture Pad. It looks like this. I'll just remove this. So if you don't have this, all you can do is just take some rose water and take a cotton pad and just put it and just clean your face. It'll act like a toner and will also get rid of excess oil or dirt on your skin. Once you've done that, just discard this. So done with this, and there's still so much dirt. So you can see this is really useful, and my skin feels good once I do this. Moving on to my third step, I use my aloe vera gel. So this is the aloe vera gel that I use. Aloe vera, it has green tea extracts and vitamin E. So I really like this one. Just apply on my face. Skin feels so nice, so soothing. So once you've applied it, just let it dry. It just takes like 2 minutes and it just dries out. And then I'll move on to my fourth step. My next step, this is what I've been doing recently. So I've heard glycerin is amazing for your skin. You've seen my top uses of glycerin video also. I'm sure you've seen that. So it's really good for using all the best beauty skincare products will have glycerin. Your soaps, your creams, a lot of makeup products also have glycerin. So I was thinking, why don't we just use glycerin on our face directly instead of using all these expensive skincare products. So all you have to do is take glycerin and I'm just going to open the lid. So you can't use glycerin directly, it will be too harsh on your skin. So I dilute it. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of glycerin. That's about it. and then dilute it with rose water. Amazing. As you know, rose water is amazing for your skin. So I've been doing this for a while, and see, my rose water is almost over. So I'm gonna dilute this, or 5 to 6 drops of rose water. Okay. Now mix it really well. Now just apply it on your skin. This is good for all skin types. It really moisturizes your skin very well. But make sure you dilute the glycerin. Don't like directly apply it on your skin. So people who have like extremely dry skin, you can just apply it and go to sleep like that only. But people who have oily skin, I would request you all to like apply it, let it stay for for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So I'm done with applying the glycerin rose water. You can just let it be. If you have like extremely dry skin, you can just go to bed like that only. But then I let it stay for about half an hour, and then I rinse it off, because it's a little oily. I mean, it's not oily, but it has this weird texture. So I just feel like all the dust will just come and absorb. I mean, it'll sit on your skin. So I don't want to just go to bed like that. So I let it stay for about half an hour, and then I rinse my face, and then I go to bed. So next, moving on to my next step. It's been about 20 minutes and I have rinsed my face now, and you can actually see the glow. I mean, it's kind of glowing now. So my next step is, okay, I want to give you an option. So what I do is alternate days. I mean, one day I'll use glycerin rose water. The next day I will use almond oil, which is also badam oil, badam tel. This is also really good for your skin. It really moisturizes your skin and has a lot of skin benefits. So y'all can do this as well. If you don't want to use glycerin rose water, you can also just apply a little bit of almond oil all over your face and just leave it and just go to sleep. So after doing that, under eye gel is very important, and to get rid of dark circles, etc. So the under eye gel that I use is by Aroma Magic. This is the under eye gel. And this is chemical free, paraben free, and it's really good. So I just take a little bit of my under eye cream, my under eye gel, and that's it. Apply it. And I feel like once you've just applied your under eye gel, you just get very sleepy and you go to bed like really quickly. So it really calms your skin, I feel. And this one's really good. That's it. So I apply my under eye gel, and then obviously it's important to take care of your lips. So I use a lip balm. This is the lip balm that I've been using now. It's called Vadi Herbals. Again, it's herbal, no chemicals. So just apply it. And ta-da! I'm ready to go to bed, and this is my quarantine step-by-step nighttime skincare routine. Well, I do it almost every day, not only during quarantine. I just take like 10 minutes, do my skincare routine, and then I go to bed. The last thing that I really do before I go to bed is put some perfume or some just body splash. Makes me feel so good, and I get like a nice good night's sleep. This is really nice. It's very candy and very sweet type of smell. This one, it's pink. That's a nice body mist. So I am ready to go to bed. This is my nighttime skincare routine. I hope this has been useful for you all. Let me know if you have any more questions, and let me know what you've been doing this quarantine. I hope you guys are not going out. Please don't go out. Just stay positive, stay home, spend time with your family, and let me know what do you want me to do next. I have a lot of time, I'm at home. I will film a lot of videos for you guys. So do you want me to do a Q&A, or you want to do like a makeup skincare routine, or you know, whatever, just let me know. And if you want to ask me any questions, ask me, like direct message me on Instagram. I'll put my link down below. So ask me all your questions, and then we might do a Q&A really soon, and I will see you soon guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.